Hey guys, it's Alaina with Organized Money and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is our 10K giveaway. I've been meaning to do this video for about a week, but I just got a chance to get to Hobby Lobby on yesterday. And so I wanted to show you all the goodies that you're going to get if you win this giveaway. So the first thing is this small Happy Notes notebook. I thought that this was super cute when I saw it, and even though I don't have one, I thought that someone would really appreciate it because I love all things mini, and this is something that you could just throw in your purse and you could just keep on you at all times and write any notes that you may need in it. The second thing is the Wordsworth planner. I did a review on this planner a couple of weeks ago, and I really do think it's a beautiful planner. It is very well made. I just don't have a use for it. I was trying to figure out something to do with it, and I realized that I was just forcing it. So I decided that I was going to give it away to someone who really could use it and need it. It's mainly used for planning out your goals and your dreams, and so you can definitely use it for that or anything else you may need it for. So that's the second thing you're going to get. Then of course I have some washi tape because we all need washi tape. It's amazing. And so I bought a pack of that, and I also bought a sticker pad. I would open it, but I want to save it for the person who's actually going to win this. But they do have some box stickers in here, some today stickers, to-do stickers that you can actually use. They're pretty more on the functional side, which is why I picked them up, because you know I love functional type stickers. Then I also have the Get Focused half sheets. So you have your top 5, your top goal, your check it off, and your take notes. And I thought that this was very nice for adding in to your planner. This is the 18-month I am a happy planner. It's the vertical layout. It goes from July 2019 to December. I'm not gonna take off the tag because I want the person who wins it to actually get to enjoy it and it to be in its original state. But it is a vertical layout, and I love the colorful rings that it has. So this is everything one person is going to win. And then I am also going to choose 10 additional people along with, this is the 11th person, but 10 additional people will get some goodies and stickers from my shop, from my Etsy sticker shop. And so I'm just gonna probably put together a little packet of stickers from them, more than likely on the functional side, and icon stickers that they can use in their planner. So altogether there will be 11 winners. One person will get all of this stuff and some stickers from my shop, and the other 10 people will get just the sticker sets from my shop. In order to enter, you have to be a subscriber of my channel. You have to comment on this video saying that you want to be entered, and you also have to head over and follow me on Instagram and comment on the post that I have on Instagram there. So comment on this post saying enter me, comment on my Instagram post saying enter me, and you will be entered into win. I will pick all 11 winners on next Tuesday. So it'll be exactly 1 week from today. I believe that's April 2nd. So thank you so much for being a subscriber. Thank you so much for entering this giveaway. And I really appreciate this community. I appreciate all the love, the feedback, everything that you have given me through my planning and budgeting journey. Until next time, good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.